sense of nervousness over the comeback of Mpox, also known as monkeypox, especially after the World Health Organization raised the highest level of alert last week. The emergence of Mpox is causing waves, maybe because we all are still grappling with the anxiety from COVID-19. Since the 2022 declaration of a public health emergency of international concern by WHO, 30 cases have been reported in India. The last case of Mpox was detected in March 2024. According to the press release issued by the Health Ministry, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been continuously monitoring the Mpox situation. As advised by PM Modi, a high-level meeting took place to review the status of preparedness for Mpox in the country. The meeting was briefed that as of now there is no reported case of Mpox in the country. As per the present assessment, the risk of a large outbreak with sustained transmission is low. Mpox infections are generally self-limiting, lasting between 2 to 4 weeks, and these patients usually recover with supportive medical care and management. Mpox transmission happens through prolonged and close contact with an infected patient. It happens largely through the sexual route, direct contact with the body or lesion fluid of the patient, or through the contaminated clothing of an infected person. The viral infection causes fever, headache, rashes, pus-filled lesions and flu-like symptoms which are usually mild, but in some cases they can cause death as well. The government has already sensitized the health teams at international airports. Let us understand what is Mpox and how this disease is evolving. This is not the first time the WHO has issued an alert. A similar warning was issued in 2022 following a global outbreak, but it was revoked as new cases declined sharply in 2023. Mpox, which shares some similarities with smallpox, was first identified in humans in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The disease was primarily endemic to Central and West Africa, with 2 major types or clades identified. Currently, the cases are surging in Congo and spreading beyond its borders. So far, more than 96% of all cases and deaths are in single country, which is Congo. The Global Health Agency said Mpox was recently identified for the first time in 4 East African countries, where all of those outbreaks were linked to the epidemic in Congo. WHO warned further that imported cases of the new and more dangerous strain in Europe were likely, as Sweden has also announced the infection. Sweden has reported a case caused by clade 1, the first case to be diagnosed outside the African continent, clearly reflecting the spread of the virus. Later, Pakistan identified 3 patients with the Mpox virus. The important question is, will we be able to survive the comeback? Going by the availability of vaccines and medicine, it seems the world will be able to get through this attack. The previous attacks of Mpox were made using clade 2b, but this time the fear is Mpox clade 1b. This clade perhaps has a higher rate of transmission. While its transmissibility and lethality are yet to be proven, one significant advantage of clade 1b is that it manifests lesions that are visible on the whole body. The skin boils and lesions can appear on general skin areas such as near the oral cavity, unlike clade 2b, where skin boils appears mainly near the genitals. This can make screening at airports and seaports easy if done efficiently. Also, 2 vaccines are already available for reducing the risk and severity of Mpox infection. We also have a medicine called Tecovirimat, which is an antiviral medication generally stockpiled during the wave of smallpox. The medicine was approved by United States in 2018 when it was the first drug specifically for treating pox viruses. Manufacturing of Tecovirimat can be ramped up easily as per the experts. Additionally, countries like India need to train healthcare staff to distinguish between boils and skin lesions caused by Mpox, chickenpox and other infections. One of the biggest challenges for India is to fight the stigma attached to Mpox, the disease which is known to be transmitted sexually. We remember that during the clade 2 mpox outbreak in 2022, the main transmission route was associated with sexual activity among certain gay, bisexual, and other men who have sex with men. Here, this may prevent people from coming out and visiting doctors despite noticing the symptoms. One concern is that the virologists believe that this virus might be evolving. Hence, efforts must focus on containing the ongoing spread and closely monitoring the evolution of the virus. No one knows if this virus will become more powerful or if it will just fizzle out like it has in the past.